For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link no time.
Good morning. I am back at it. So I feel so much better than even yesterday. Whew, that workout was good. I needed it and now I'm good. I just have, you know, some congestion up top right here. But other than that, I feel really good. I'm not as sore anymore, thankfully. We did arms, well, we did shoulders and we did legs. So I'm gonna make sure I stretch before I leave today. But anywho, I just got out of the shower, so I'm gonna start getting ready for my session. Allie will be meeting me here at 9 o'clock, and then we have an hour drive to the client's house. So that should be pretty fun. This pantry is a little different from the one that you saw a few videos ago. Well, it would be two VLOGMAS videos ago. So you get to see how we organize that, and we don't have as many organizing supplies. Well, maybe we do. We kind of do. We're gonna see how we're gonna work this, but we didn't do a shop. We didn't go shopping for this client as we did the other client. So anywho, you'll see the difference. But yeah, it's gonna be a good day. I feel good. Allie's still not feeling too well, so if we do finish early, we're gonna go to lunch somewhere and hopefully eat like a healthier lunch. So yeah, that's the goal. Yeah, I'm gonna get ready. First I'm gonna make me some oatmeal, then I'm gonna get ready and then drive this long distance to our client's house. So yeah, so I'm excited. You know when you don't know what to say, you're like, so yeah. Anyways, ouch, my hip. So I'll see you guys soon. So I'm in my car waiting on Allie. I actually just filled up my tank with some gas, so rather than going back in the house, I'm gonna go ahead and just stay in my car and wait for her. She should be here in the next 10 minutes, and it is so warm and cozy in here. Oh, I have a very cozy sweater on. I actually got this from H&M, which I'm not gonna shop at H&M anymore, but it's like kind of fleece inside. Oh, it feels so good. I got my coffee and I got a banana and I'm in my element. Oh, my mom. Yeah. Okay, we get it. So I like that. She hates space.
Okay.
So we may actually be able to fit three.
Three, yeah.
Yeah.
Put this in here.
Yeah. That looks good when you walk in and you see that. And then, is there still space in the corner or no?
Mm-mm.
None at all? What if like, Yeah.
No.
Oh, because that bin? Okay, it's fine. Or unless we, yeah. Okay, that kind of works. Yeah. It literally closes that space. I like it. Yeah, they're at least hide on, yeah, in the corner. Yeah, Lady Susan may go on the bottom because, you know, just to kind of hide that from people. You know what I mean? Like hide the weight loss stuff on in the corner. So change of plans. We are now moving these to that shelf. We moved these from here to here. And then we're putting these here because the shelves or the distance between these two shelves is the highest compared to the others. So you got to consider that when you're organizing a space. So yeah, and it looks good. When you walk in, you kind of see those. Usually we would put them higher, either here or here, but this is the only shelf that has a taller distance. So we're gonna put them there. But that just happens. Measuring is very important because that allows you to know how tall you can get items, or how tall your organizing products can be, how wide they can be, and how much space you have. So yeah, all right, back to cutting some liner.
Around midnight, way up high,
Literally?
there's an angel in the sky. The glitter and the shine, she must.
That's probably gonna
What a night, what a sight. Ring the bell, loud and clear. Have the reindeers reappear. Take my hand, you promised land. Here we go. I have wished upon a star. I've sent my wishes far to get you in every way. I had given up hope when the snow started falling.
It's coming together.
It was you around midnight.
Is that 2 or 1 word? Cornmeal.
Cornmeal's just one word, I think.
Well, today it is. Bam! And the floors remain empty. Already?
Yeah, I know. Just keep recording. You can see every round.